You cannot win by stepping on another person. Wewe kuja na mpango yako uzia wananchi. Wananchi wachinga wanaona unaibaiba kama panya na paka. Hapana. Kuja open. Ndio uweze kuaminika. Kwa saa hii senator hawezi aminika. Kwa hivyo simuogopi hata kidogo. Simuogopi kamwe. I'm not here to rate a senator, but I think he has done poorly. Senator has never signed a fist or spoken in my office, meaning he has never come. Number two, since he was elected first time, last term, he has never come to county assembly because there is a seat always for senator to give guidance. He has never come. At times, some funerals where other leaders are not in, he sneaks in and the bed of seats lies there. We have known his ways. We are urging him to behave like other leaders, not to make false accusations. He has never. And if he consulted, we could have put him clear. Like now, the dispensary was saying the money has been misappropriated. As I've said, it's money which was put in January supplementary. Procurement takes time. How soon has money gotten lost? Adi asked we should have put him clear instead of going to air, saying, oh, Nyamira pesa imeibiwa. Oh, even in this report, there is no single place where they've said so much money in Nyamira cannot be traced. It's only the departments they are questioning. The people they called, it was a sample. Near all of them said, yes. One says, yes, I went to police. I was asking for a bribe. I went to public service board to ask for employment. I was asking for a bribe. So these are units within government. It's an eye-opener for us to address them clearly and straight. In the future. Wako huru wakuja waangalie project tumeprocure and the process tumetumia kuprocure. Hiyo fund iko welcome. If it can increase accountability across the country, it's welcome. We have nothing to hide. Unakumbuka maneno ilifanyika Kakamega last ilikuwa first term around 20 before 2017 elections and 20 particularly before 2017. What happened in Kakamega? Do you remember? The senator was undermining the governor to an extent that the governor refused to accept summons to the Senate because the senator of Kakamega had gone personal. Because he was going to stand for governor. Okay, he stood. Can you tell me the votes he got?